Alright, welcome back to Get Out the House Go Fish. Today I'll be doing the installation of a Raymarine Dragonfly 4 Fishfinder into a 2014 Hobie ProAngler 12. There might be some slight differences if you have an older or newer ProAngler, but the concept's the same, so you should be able to follow along and get it installed yourself. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, locate the hole-through plugs. If you've never had a fish finder installed on this Hobie, then you will probably need a hole-through kit. It has the rubber adapters that you'll need when running the wires through the hole, keeping everything watertight. I'll put the links in the description. Okay, so you saw me remove the seat. I'm just giving myself more room to work, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up the center hatch, remove this tackle management rack, and then right inside the hull, right underneath the seat area, there is some foam blocks that you'll have to reach inside and pull each one out, and then that should give you enough room to work to do this installation. So now you need to remove the hole-through plugs. The ones I have are the kind that unscrew. So what you have to do is reach inside the hole, find the back side of the plug, and just unscrew the back. Alright, one down, one more to go. When you have the hole-through kit, you want the rubber piece with the two holes to go on the side, and then the plug that's located behind the seat, you'll need the rubber piece that has just one hole. Now you'll need to flip the kayak over so you can remove the Lawrence Ready transducer cover plate. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that's holding it in place. Now if this leg is attached with your transducer, which if it's new then it probably won't be, but if it is, if you've bought a used one, then go ahead and remove it. You won't need it for this installation. And as you can see, with this longer transducer, it's going to be a tight fit. That wire is going to bend right there, but the end of the arm there, it's going to stick out a little bit from the cover. Don't worry about that, that's normal. Alright, now let's start feeding that wire through the hole here. If you still have the bracket on, remove it now. These arms that come down need to go on either side of the transducer to keep it centered. So just line it up, bring the cover down slow, and then reattach the plate with the screws. Alright, now turn the kayak back over. You will be running the cable to the inside of the hull now. Go ahead and slide this rubber washer on the cables before pushing it through into the hole. Once you have the cable run through, attach the plug with a rubber piece. Take the end ring and slide it on the cable. Note the direction of the legs as you slide it on and up to where you will be reattaching to the back of the plug from the inside of the hole. Once you meet up to the other end, tighten it back down. Alright, now let's do the other one. This time the ring goes on first, but the legs will be opposite when sliding onto the cable. Now you see why you need 2 holes for this plug. Make sure you have enough cable pulled through before tightening everything down. Looking good. Now all that is left is to attach the wires to the battery. I used heat shrink tubing to cover my exposed wires. I highly suggest you add a fuse in line to protect your fish finder for any surges that may happen. You will need extra wire if you plan on running the battery to the rear hatch. Alright, that's it. I'm just going to plug the battery in, go check out the fish finder, make sure it powers up okay. It's nice to have a multimeter if you have any problems and you need to troubleshoot. So I hope this helped y'all out and made it pretty easy for y'all to follow. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. And, till next time.
Yeah.